Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous video I have shown you how you can save animation while running your simulation in Fluent. To save animation in Fluent you have to define your contours before your simulation, then you can save your animation. Somehow, let's say you didn't do that, that's fine, doesn't matter. You can create your animation also in CFD-post, which I'm going to show you over here. To create animation in CFD-post, you need the simulation data, so don't forget to save your simulation data. It means you can create only the simulation from the time step which you have already saved during your transient simulation. Here also, to save animation, first you have to define what you want to save. Let's say we want to save the animation for our velocity profile, which you will define over here. Contour, let me call this velocity contour. Domain, all domain, and location, I want to have velocity at all location. It should be velocity, and I want to have global range for the velocity. Number of contours, I mean how many color band you want to have. It says 11, you can increase, let's say 25, it depends on you, and I would say apply. Let me orientate accordingly. So here is our velocity profile. I don't like this legend. We can also change so that we get a nice and clean animation. For that you will go default legend view. I prefer to have horizontal, and then justification left. No, I want to have center, and I want to have at the bottom, so I will have over here. Then appearance, it is scientific. I don't like scientific. I want to have fixed, and precision 2. Up to 2 decimal is fine, and I would say, oh, it is 4, sorry, 2. It is fine. We got our display for which we want to create our animation. For animation, we will go to tools, and here is animation. Our animation is at the end. We will move this bar at the start. It means it will grab first data point. And control by time step, it is fine. Specify range of animation. If you want to specify from start time and end time, that you can define over here, and I'm not defining because we want to have all those time steps. All images, all time steps in range. Okay, specified number of frames if you want to specify number of frames. So these are all settings. And then if you want to repeat, I mean if your animation should repeat, yeah, let's say it should repeat 2 times. Then here you want to save your movie. Yes, I want to save, and here you can define your location. I'm living at this location, and then video format, Windows Media Video, and whatever format you like. I'm leaving this one. Then further options, image format, what kind of image it will use. If you are using image, and image size HD 1080p, whatever size you like. Override symbol string, I don't think so they will use these settings. Frame rate 24, you can define your frame rate. And so that's it. I will click OK, and to save animation I just need to click on this play button. This animation will play, and at the same time it will save on this defined location. Let me do that. It is running, and you can see we said that it should repeat 2 times, so it is repeating 2 times. It has saved our animation. Let me show you the animation. Here is our animation. It is quite fast. When you have more number of frames, so then it will be little longer, or you can change its speed in whatever media player you are using. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.